So this is the Telesin Versatile Wrap. Now this thing is really cool if you have an action camera or even any camera with a screw thread, like a smartphone or whatever. If you want a quick and easy way to attach this to like your handlebars or maybe like a bar mount at like the gym or something like that, you could pop your GoPro just right on the top. And what's great about this too is it swivels around so you can have it different angles if you need to. But let me just demonstrate how this works exactly. So we're going to just flip it around the handlebar. Sorry, it's a little bit dusty here, but just like that. And you're gonna just kind of attach it to itself, and that's it, it's done. Now, if you want it a little bit tighter, there's another hole right there. So if it's, you can go even tighter with it and it makes it nice and secure. And yeah, so you can, this thing is easy to turn, but it doesn't like turn on itself. So it won't, you don't have to worry about it turning on accident, but yeah, you can turn it so you can face yourself or you can face out the other way if you want. So it works really good. It's good quality, highly recommended. And thanks for watching.